To add more apps in the separate app sound routine in Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap separate app sound routine. Next, tap separate app sound, tap apps, and then select the required apps you like to separate its sound. Tap done button, and then tap done button again to save the change. Now the sound from the selected apps will be played in the selected audio device when your phone is connected to the predefined Bluetooth device. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.